Non-conventional sources of energy. Energy is the most vital necessity for the daily life of all living beings. And of various forms of energy, electrical energy is the most important form for the immense advantages offered by it. Most significantly for utilization of the energy. It is the most efficient and cleanest form of energy when used for industrial, commercial, or domestic requirements. The sun, water, and wind have been the inexhaustible sources of energy for the time immemorial. Over the last many decades, man has learned to harness these primary sources of energy to produce electricity in a successful and commercially viable form. In addition, there are many other natural sources of energy which are under developmental stage for generating electricity. All these sources are known as non-conventional or alternative sources of energy. They have been in existence for millions of years before the development of so-called conventional sources of energy. Advantages of non-conventional sources. The main advantages or characteristic features of non-conventional or alternative sources are: these sources of energy are available freely and in abundance. In fact, they are renewable, so there is no fear for getting exhausted or depleted. They are environment friendly and do not produce any waste or cause pollution. They can be tapped at large scale at one place or in small amount at number of places at the same time, including remote and inaccessible areas like hilly terrains, deep forest or desert. When situated close to load centers, they can result in reduction of overall cost of electricity generation, making it cost effective. Fortunately, India is ideally suited geographically, being a tropical country, to utilize the full potential of at least three major non-conventional sources of energy with sun, water and wind. Added to this are many other sources such as biogas, considering the tremendous human and cattle population, and tidal wave energy, considering the country's vast coastline of nearly 7,500 kilometers. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has taken up several steps to exploit the full potential of these sources, which have been successful to some extent. The following are some of the non-conventional energy sources which have been exploited in the country by the Government of India: solar energy, wind energy, biogas, tidal and geothermal energy. Solar energy generation. The Ministry of New and Renewable Energy has initiated various programs in the urban sector for promoting solar water heating systems in homes, hotels, hostels, hospitals and industry. Types of renewable energy based projects like solar, wind, biomass, small hydro, waste to energy may be installed. The basic aim is to motivate the local governments for adopting renewable energy technologies and energy efficiency measures. Sun is the primary source of energy. The sun provides us enormous amounts of energy in the form of solar radiation reaching the surface of the earth. With its vast potential of virtually untapped energy, living off the sun promises to be an attractive alternative for future. It is being used for various purposes like direct solar heating. In this application of the sun's energy, sun rays are concentrated using special mirrors or reflectors to produce heat at high temperature. The examples of use are solar heaters, ovens and cookers. Solar water heaters. These comprise specially designed flat plate panels or reflectors to absorb solar energy when sun rays fall on the panel, mounted on rooftops at suitable angle to absorb solar energy. The panels are installed facing south so as to work most efficiently even during winter. Water at ambient temperature is passed through capillary tubes embedded in the panels, which rises as it gets heated and is collected in heavily insulated collector tank. From this tank, now water is supplied to the kitchen or bathrooms as required. In properly designed heaters, the water temperature can rise up at 60 degrees centigrade on a sunny winter day. Solar electricity generation using photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic or PV technology converts sunlight directly into electricity using specially designed and fabricated cells arranged in suitable arrays. Uses and applications. The sun offers direct and inexhaustible source of energy, especially in a tropical country like ours with over 300 days of clear sky that can be utilized to generate electrical energy. This is commonly achieved by making use of kind of semiconductor device called photovoltaic cell or PVC. Suitably designed arrays of photovoltaic cells have been successfully used to provide street lights, especially in rural and remote areas. Solar lanterns, especially for domestic use, particularly as emergency lights, solar electric powered TV sets, solar water pumps, solar refrigeration systems, railway signaling systems, and communication networks. So far, nearly 10,000 solar photovoltaic systems covering a variety of applications have been installed in the country. Advantages of solar energy. Solar energy is a resource that is not only sustainable for energy consumption, it is indefinitely renewable, at least until the sun runs out in billions of years. Solar power does not cause any pollution. Solar panels require little maintenance. The government has also introduced generous tax credits for individuals and companies that invest in solar systems. Disadvantages of solar energy. The primary disadvantage of solar power is that it obviously cannot be created during the night. The power generated is also reduced during the times of cloud cover, although energy is still produced on a cloudy day. Solar panel energy is maximized when the panel is directly facing the sun. Most efficient solar cells only convert just over 20% of the sun rays to electricity. With increased advances in solar cell technology, this number is likely to increase. Installing solar panels is quite expensive. However, the cost of solar panels incurred is only the initial cost, as after buying and installation, they create free energy for use.